everyone, my name's Frank, and I'm the user advocate for Artsman, and welcome to our series on End of Day in Theater Manager. In this video, we'll examine the deposit steps in the end of day process. Okay, let's dig in. When opening the end of day, we find ourselves in the Deposit tab of the end of day wizard. We can see the list is currently empty, so to begin, we'll click the Deposit Funds button. The Bank Deposit Parameters window will now pop up. We confirm the date field is set to today and click the Deposit button. If we're using the Elevon or Orbital merchant providers, an additional batch total window appears. The number of transactions and total credit card payments will need to be gathered from the merchant portal and entered into the window before proceeding. Moving on, we see all the payments included in this deposit. There are multiple views for reviewing the deposit information, including summary by payment type, summary by patron, summary by employee, and summary by till. Notice at the bottom left, there's a breakdown of all the payment types included in the deposit. We want to compare the cash and check totals with the funds included in our employee till balance reports, ensuring they match our current deposit. If they don't, this is a good opportunity to correct any mistakes before moving on with the deposit. As our cash and checks match what's listed in the deposit, we can move on to step 2 to compare our credit card totals. If there were any warnings or errors, we should stop here and contact Theater Manager support. As our credit card payments match and are in balance, we can click the Deposit button in the lower right corner. A final confirmation window appears, so we can click the Deposit to settle the credit card batch. We see here, Theater Manager has communicated with our credit card gateway server. This line tells us the credit card totals in our open batch match this Theater Manager deposit. The deposit reports will now generate to the screen. These reports can be printed or saved to PDF and given to our accountant for reconciliation. Payments are now deposited in Theater Manager. We find a deposit number that lists cash, checks, and passes, along with a different deposit number for credit cards processed directly through Theater Manager. If our organization also uses EMV devices, PIN pads with credit card readers, there will be a separate deposit number for those transactions as well. And now, a tip from Tom. The default reports generated during the deposit can be set in the End of Day tab in Company Preferences, making it quicker to complete the deposit process. Okay, time to recap. First, click Deposit Funds to view all non-deposited payments. Second, review payment totals and move on to step 2. Third, click Deposit after confirming the open credit card batch matches with the credit card gateway server. And finally, generate and save your deposit reports. And that's it. We hope you've enjoyed this video. From all of us here at Artsman, thanks for watching.